Hello guys, welcome back. Looking to top 5, best 4, new camera for documentaries in 2025. Capture stunning visuals for your next documentary. In 2025, cutting-edge 4K cameras offer unmatched clarity, dynamic range, and professional features. Here are the best 4K cameras perfect for documentary filmmaking. Whether you're in the field, studio, or on the move, these pics deliver exceptional results. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS C70. The Canon EOS C70 brings the power of cinema to the palm of your hand, blending professional video performance with the compact, mobile-friendly design of a mirrorless camera. Equipped with Canon's Super 35mm DGO dual gain output, sensor, and DIG ICD V7 image processor, it delivers stunning 4K video with exceptional dynamic range, low noise, and cinematic color reproduction. The RF mount system offers fast and flexible lens compatibility, while the built-in ND filter system, dual SD card slots, and ergonomic design cater to professional workflows. Ideal for documentary filmmakers, event videographers, and content creators, the EOS C70 supports Canon log 2/3, XFAVC and MP4 formats, and offers versatile frame rates, including slow motion at 4K 120p. With advanced autofocus, dual pixel CMOS AF, face detection, and intuitive touchscreen controls, you can focus more on your creative vision and less on setup. The Canon EOS C70 redefines portable cinema, making pro-level video production more accessible than ever. Number 4. Sony FX6. The Sony FX6 is a powerful, compact, full-frame cinema camera designed for professional filmmakers and content creators. Part of Sony's acclaimed cinema line, the FX6 combines exceptional image quality with unmatched versatility. It features a 10.2 megapixel full-frame back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor, delivering stunning 4K footage with rich detail, excellent low-light performance, and cinematic bokeh. With its fast hybrid autofocus, real-time eye AF, and face detection, the FX6 ensures razor-sharp focus even during dynamic scenes. The camera supports up to 120 frames per second in 4K and 240 frames per second in HD for smooth slow-motion capture, ideal for high-end productions. Its compact, lightweight body allows for easy handheld shooting or use on gimbals and drones. The FX6 also includes S-Cinetone color science for rich, film-like visuals straight out of the camera, while offering 15+ stops of dynamic range. Whether you're shooting documentaries, commercials, or indie films, the Sony FX6 is built to bring your creative vision to life. Number 3. Canon EOS R5C. The Canon EOS R5C is a powerhouse hybrid camera built for both professional filmmakers and photographers. Combining the best of Canon's EOS Cinema and EOS R systems, the R5C delivers stunning 8K 60p RAW video recording and 45 megapixel still image capture. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for creators on the move, while the active cooling system ensures continuous high-resolution shooting without overheating. Dual pixel CMOS AF with eye detection ensures pinpoint focus for both video and stills, while the 13 customizable buttons provide intuitive control. With support for Canon log 3, HDR-PQ, and RAW light formats, the R5C is a dream for post-production flexibility. Its robust connectivity options, Wi-Fi, timecode, and multifunction hot shoe, make it perfect for professional workflows. Whether you're capturing cinematic masterpieces or detailed stills, the Canon EOS R5C offers uncompromising performance in a versatile, feature-rich package. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S5iiX. The Panasonic Lumix S5iiX is a powerhouse mirrorless camera tailored for content creators and professional filmmakers. Designed for versatility, it combines robust photo capabilities with advanced video performance. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and powered by the new phase hybrid autofocus system, the S5iiX ensures sharp, fast, and accurate focus in both stills and video. What truly sets the S5iiX apart is its cinema-grade video features, including internal 6K 30p and 4K 60p 10-bit recording, raw video output via HDMI, and all intra codecs for maximum flexibility in post-production. The camera's sleek blacked-out design is both stylish and stealthy, making it perfect for low-profile shooting. With unlimited recording time, dual native ISO for low-light mastery, and real-time LUT support, the Lumix S5iX empowers creators to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. Whether you're capturing cinematic films or high-quality vlogs, the S5iX delivers top-tier performance in every frame. Number 1. Fujifilm X-H2S. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a flagship APS-C mirrorless camera engineered for professional photographers and videographers who demand speed, precision, and versatility. At the heart of the X-H2S lies a powerful 26.1 megapixel X-Trans 5 stacked CMOS sensor, delivering lightning-fast readout speeds and unmatched image quality. Paired with the advanced X Processor 5, it enables blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 40 frames per second and offers cutting-edge AI-powered subject detection autofocus for fast-moving scenes. Designed for both stills and cinema-grade video, the X-H2S supports 6.2K at 30p and 4K at 120p, recording with 10-bit color, making it ideal for hybrid creators. A robust, weather-sealed body ensures durability in any environment, while a high-resolution EVF and vari-angle touchscreen provide flexible composition options. With its pro-level performance, high-speed capabilities, and exceptional image quality, the Fujifilm X-H2S stands out as a top choice for content creators seeking excellence in every frame. So guys, that's all for the top 5, best 4 K new camera for documentaries in 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.